Hey there, aspiring online entrepreneurs. Are you looking for ways to make money online but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share the top 10 proven methods to make money online, the ultimate beginner's guide. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Method number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to use your skills and talents to make money online. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find clients and showcase your work. Moving on to method number 2, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to get started. Method number 3 is creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. This can be a great source of passive income once your course is up and running. Next up, method number 4, blogging. Starting a blog is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and passion with the world while making money through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Choose a niche you're passionate about and start creating valuable content for your audience. Method number 5 is starting a YouTube channel. Just like blogging, you can create content around your interests and passions and make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency and quality are key to growing your channel and earning revenue. Moving on to method number 6, dropshipping. This is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. You simply set up an online store, find suppliers, and they handle the shipping and fulfillment. Shopify and WooCommerce are popular platforms for starting a dropshipping business. Method number 7 is print on demand. This involves selling custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand company prints the design and ships the product directly to the customer. Websites like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble make it easy to start a print-on-demand business. Next up, method number 8, stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a commission. So, the more high-quality photos you upload, the more money you can make. Method number 9 is online tutoring. If you're skilled in a particular subject or have teaching experience, you can offer your services as an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and Tutor.com connect you with students who need help in various subjects. You can set your own schedule and rates, making it a flexible way to make money online. And finally, method number 10, becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like Belay, Time, etc., and remote.co. This is a great option if you have strong organizational and communication skills. And there you have it, the top 10 proven methods to make money online, the ultimate beginner's guide. Remember, the key to success in any of these methods is consistency, dedication, and a willingness to learn. So, pick a method that resonates with you, and start your journey towards making money online today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.